Welcome to InOurpedia. And today's we are going to learn how to sign out Netflix account from one device or on all devices. So open your Netflix account. And the process is the same for iOS and Android. Click on the More three-lined option. And tap on the Sign Out option. By this method, you can only sign out from one device. If you want to log out from all devices, then follow the second method. Tap on the account. Scroll till Sign Out of all devices and tap on that. Sometimes this process takes up to 8 hours to sign out from all the devices you are using this account. Click on Sign Out. And this is how you can log out from your Netflix account. Thank you for watching, guys.